Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sai Recipes, where we make healthy eating simple and delicious. Today, we're diving into some quick and easy keto meal prep recipes that will keep you on track all week long. If you're looking for low-carb, high-flavor meals that save time, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Recipe 1. Keto Chicken Salad. First up, we have a creamy and protein-packed keto chicken salad, perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups cooked shredded chicken, 1/2 cup mayo, 1/4 cup chopped celery, 1/4 cup chopped almonds, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix everything together and boom, you have a delicious low-carb meal ready to go. Serve it in lettuce wraps or eat it straight from the bowl. Recipe 2. Cheesy Keto Egg Muffins. Next, let's prep some cheesy keto eggs muffins, a perfect grab-and-go breakfast or snack. Here's what you need. 6 eggs, 1/2 cup shredded cheese, cheddar or mozzarella, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, 1/4 cup cooked bacon or sausage, salt and pepper to taste. Whisk your eggs, stir in the ingredients, pour into muffin tins, and bake at 350 degrees, 175 degrees for 15 minutes. Easy, right? These are protein-packed and super satisfying. Recipe 3. Keto Garlic Butter Shrimp with Zucchini Noodles. For dinner, try this keto garlic butter shrimp with zoodles. It's done in under 15 minutes. 1 full spoon of shrimp, peeled and deveined. 2 zucchinis, spiralized. 2 teaspoons butter. 2 cloves garlic. Minced 1 teaspoon chili flakes, optional. Salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Cook the shrimp in butter and garlic for a few minutes, toss in the zoodles, and season. That's it! A quick, healthy, and satisfying keto meal. And there you have it, 3 super easy keto meal prep recipes to keep you fueled and feeling great. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes every week. See you next time!